Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi dengan saya Safrina Anggriani dengan NIM 0310 20 20 12 Prodi Tadris Biologi 3 semester 2 mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris dengan dosen pengampu Sir Dedi Arianto SPD MHum. Kali ini saya akan membuat video tentang belajar mengajar menggunakan bahasa Inggris tentang materi sel.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you, Miss?
I'm fine, thanks. Now, first we are going to the register. Nur Aji,
Miss.
Siti Hidayah,
Present, Miss.
Dinda Aulia Pohan,
Present, Miss.
Nurlanda Putriani.
Present, Miss.
Before we study, let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi jidni ilma warzuqni fahma wa amalan sholihan. Amin.
Anybody knows what we are going to learn today?
Nothing, Miss.
Today's topic is part and organelles in cells. Do you know about cell?
No, I don't know, Miss.
No, Miss.
I didn't know. What, Miss?
Cell is the smart structural and functional unit in living things. Living cell and differ into prokaryotic and eukaryotic groups. Cell divides into prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Do you know prokaryotic cell?
No, Miss.
Prokaryotic cell have a plasma membrane, nucleus being A and R in A. And cytoplasma prokaryotic cells do not have a nuclear membrane and an endomembrane system. An example of prokaryotic cell is bacteria. Bacterial cell consists of a cell where contains peptidoglycan, plasma membrane, fat and protein, mesosome, energy producing cytoplasma contains metabolic enzyme, ribosome produce protein, promoterase contains pigment, DNA and RNA, genetic material, and ability to attack during reproduction, and some are platelets moves. Do you know eukaryotic cell?
No, Miss.
In eukaryotic cell have cell parts, namely the first cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasma. Do you know cell membrane?
No, Miss.
The cell membrane is lipoprotein-like consisting of phospholipids and protein. Is semi-permeable or selectively permeable. Functions to regulate the entry and exit of substance into and or of cell. And nucleus or cell nucleus. Eukaryotic cell have a nuclear membrane. Inside the cell nucleus there is a nucleus which function to synthesize RNA, nucleoplast or nucleus fluid, and chromatin granules which decay into chromosome threads during cell division. Chromosome contain DNA as a carrier of genetic information. information. And cytoplasma includes the content of the cell outside the cell nucleus. Cytoplasm consists of a liquid called the cytosol and a salt in the form of cell organelles. The cytosol is a fluid that can change from the sol to the gel phase and vice versa. The cell organs in eukaryotic cells are ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum or ER, Golgi body, lysosomes, mitochondria, centriole, microbody, plastid, vacuola, and cytoskeleton. Want to know what it is? Mitochondria?
Miss.
Okay, Siti Hidayah.
Thanks, Miss. Mitochondria function as a means of cellular respiration to produce energy. The outer membrane is smooth, while the inner membrane is grooved to form cristae to expand the surface, thereby increasing the process of cellular respiration. Respiration takes place in the cristae and matrix. Thanks, Miss.
Okay, good. Next, who knows what it is? Microbody?
Miss. Microbodies are small single membrane organelles consisting of proteasomes or in animal and plant cells and gliosysomes or only in plant cells. Miss.
Okay, good. Next, who know what it is? Centriole?
Miss.
Okay, Nur Azizah.
Centrioles are formed in animal cells and play a role in cell division. Centrioles differ at the time of division and determine the direction of cell division. Thanks, Miss. Finish, Miss.
Okay, I'll try to guys to boost the name of the organelle in my hand. What is the name of this organelle?
Centriole, Miss.
Okay, good. And what is the name of this organelle? Dinda Aulia Pohan?
Miss.
Okay, Nur Azizah.
Ribosome, Miss.
Okay, good. Next, what is the name of this organelle? Nurwanda
Miss.
Putriani.
Lysosom, Miss.
Okay, good. The name?
Miss. Mitochondria.
Good. What is the name of this organelle?
Cytoskeleton, Miss.
Okay, good. What is the name?
Nucleus, Miss.
Okay. What is the name?
Membrane cell, Miss.
Okay. What is the name?
Badan Golgi dalam sel, Miss.
What is the name?
Peroxisome, Miss.
Okay, proxysome.
Okay, Miss. Thanks.
Okay. Look at the book, page 5 number.
Finish, Miss.
Who can answer? Number 1?
Mimi.
Okay, Nur Azizah.
Number 1. Spermatozoa cells need energy to move by using their tail. So that in the tail there are many organs. A. Mitochondria. B. Badan Golgi. C. Lysosome. D. Ribosomes. E. Vacuola. Its answer is A. Mitochondria, Miss.
Okay, good. Next, number 1.
Miss.
Okay, Siti Hidayah.
The organelles involved in cellular respiration are A. Lysosomes, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Mitochondria, D. Nucleus, E. cytoplasm. The correct answer is Miss.
Okay.
Number 3.
Number
3.
three.
Amylase fraction 2. A. Crushing starch. B. Forming and storing starch. C. Storing fat or oil. D. Storing protein. Is white color. Answer B, Miss.
Okay, good. Next.
Miss.
Number.
Number 4.
Okay.
Pay attention to the following picture. Nuclear matter has no membrane. E and A is in the nucleus. Does not have organelles. Core material has a membrane. Of this characteristic, the characteristic of prokaryotic cells are shown in number A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, D 2 and 4, E 1 and 3. And answer is E 1 and 3, Miss.
Okay, good. Give applause. Okay, everybody. Make two group and Miss will sell the name organelle and you find the function of them.
Okay, Miss.
Two groups. Anda and Dinda and Siti Hidayah Nur Ajija.
Okay, Miss.
Nurlanda. Dinda. Okay.
Ini jaringan semua. Plastik, terminologi ini apa? Ini tadi oke. Sentriol. Enggak. Ini sentriol ini. Sentriol ini. Sentriol. Miss, this is sentriol.
Centriol.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, finish guys. Hello.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. These are groups. Please explain the function of them.
Okay, Miss. Okay, the first mitochondria. Its main function is to produce energy. Okay. The second is plastids. The function of plastids is to become plant organelles for survival, such as eating, drinking, and breathing. Next, nucleus. The nucleus of the cell itself has the main function as an information center and control of all cell activities. And the last, Miss, lysosome, the function of lysosome for intracellular digestion because they contain hydrolytic enzymes. Okay, Miss.
Okay, good.
The next. The next badan Golgi, the function of the Golgi apparatus in the plant survival is very important. With the role, structure, or characteristic of the Golgi body, every activity of the digestive, respiratory, and other system can be well. And the last, centriole. The function is as a center for clustering microtubulus. Thanks, Miss. Finish.
Okay, good. Give applause. Next group, Nurlanda Putriani. Please explain the function of them. Okay? Please.
Wait, Miss. Okay, the first we will read about function vacuola. The main function the vacuola is to bulk cell turgor by passing water through the tunnels. Cell turgor is the pressure that pushes the cell membrane against the cell wall in plants. In addition, the vacuola also has other functions as follows. Storage of synthesis results in the form of glycogen, phenol, starch, and glucose. And the function about cytoplasma reticulum is as a means of transporting substance in the cell, and the plasmic reticulum is derived from Latin meaning inside the cytoplasma, which is a cellular organ that can be found in almost all eukaryotic cells. And the function about regulation has an important role. The function to regulate substance that enter and leave the cell. This will also encourage other function, namely as a transport molecule and a patch for the exchange of substances. And the function badan cell has a major role in the cell, some of which are hold and maintain the shape of the cell, hold cell organelles in place. And the last, the function peroxisome function. The main function of peroxisomes is to simplify long fatty acid chains through beta oxidation. In animal cells, very long fatty acids become medium chain fatty acids, which are then carried to the mitochondria and finally broken down into carbon dioxide and water.
Okay, next.
And the finish, Miss.
Finish. Okay, give applause. Group 2. I think it's enough. Sorry if I have say mistake. mistake, and before close our lesson, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Amin. And the last you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you, Miss. Thank you.
Lama.
Kan